Student, there is adjustment or deferred revenue expenditure, accumulated profits or loss. So what the adjustment we will pass here. So if for the deferred revenue expenditure, here we will calculate the sacrificing or gaining ratio. Okay, whatever the sacrificing and gaining ratio we will calculate over here. So then according to this, sacrificing partner will debit, sacrificing partners capital or current account debit, and 2 gaining partners कैपिटल और करंट अकाउंट. अब यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन अराइज होता है कि अब तक तो हम गेनिंग को डेबिट कर रहे थे और सेक्रीफाइस को क्रेडिट कर रहे थे, बट हेयर इज दिस इज द एसेट्स. in the assets conditions, sacrificing partner reverse means debit and gaining partner will credit. Okay, here will be the sacrifice ratio according to sacrifice ratio, and gaining partner adjust according to gaining ratio. Okay, so the part being the partner's capital or current account adjusted through deferred revenue expenditure, the narration will be there. And according to accumulated profit, what will be the adjustment entry will there. So according to this, the journal entry will there, profits are liability, it is assets and it is liability, and according to liabilities the condition is changed. It means first we have need to calculate sacrifice or gain ratio. Okay, these two things we have to need to calculate difference in between old and the new profit share ratio. So then the entry will there, gaining partner will debit, gaining partners capital or current account debit, and 2 sacrificing partners capital or current account. Gaining ratio, here is sacrificing ratio. And now once again here is if accumulated loss. Third, accumulated loss, it is assets. Okay, again we have to need to calculate gaining or sacrifice ratio. So then according to this journal entry, because it is assets, so the journal entry will pass sacrificing partners capital or current account debit to gaining partners capital or current account. Here is sacrifice ratio, it will distribute in sacrifice ratio and it will distribute in gaining ratio. Okay, these 3 adjustment entry will be there. After all, if For all these things we have to pass only single entry. So what will be the single entry? So और करके यहाँ पे हम कंफर्म कर रहे हैं कि क्या सिंगल जनरल एंट्री पास आउट हो जानी चाहिए. So if I am taking as a liability this side, liabilities, and this side is assets, and here are accumulated profit, and this side accumulated loss and deferred revenue expenditure. We totaling both the side. Okay, if this side total is more, means this side total is more comparison to this side. So what we have to do, conditions are applied. First, if assets are greater than the liabilities, so then it is a negative balance, and if it is a negative balance, so then sacrifice partners capital or current account debit to gaining partners capital or current account. Condition second, if liabilities balance or greater than the assets, it will be happen only the difference of liability and the assets. Okay, whatever the difference balance liability and the assets. So when liabilities are more than the assets, so then it is a positive balance. If it is a positive balance, so then the general entry will pass gaining partners capital or current account debit and to sacrifice partners capital or current account. Here is gaining ratio, next one is sacrifice ratio. These statement will be there. अब यहाँ पर पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव का कैसे कंफर्म होगा, यहाँ पर एसेट्स माइनस लायबिलिटीज़, जो बैलेंस आएगा उस बैलेंस के साथ में हमें ये गेनिंग और सैक्रिफाइस कैलकुलेट करना है. सिमिलरली है लायबिलिटीज़ माइनस एसेट्स, जो भी बैलेंस आएगा उसके साथ में हमें गेनिंग और सैक्रिफाइस मीन्स लायबिलिटीज़ माइनस एसेट्स, जो भी बैलेंस होगा उसके साथ में हमें वो ट्रीटमेंट करना है बैलेंस वैल्यू के साथ में गेनिंग एंड सैक्रिफाइसिंग का. सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज़ द एडजस्टमेंट ऑफ deferred revenue, expenditure and profit and loss. So I will send you some more questions related to this concept, so you have to solve it. Okay students, if you have any query related to this, then you ask by personal phone call and by on WhatsApp. So thank you students for today. Thank you.